Okay, so I've had a lot of requests for an update on my how to repair a bumper for under $100 video. So let's take a look at what it looks like here 2.5 years later. So this is over 2.5 years since the original video, because when I posted the video, the repair was already several months old. So let's take a look and you can be the judge for yourself. So you'll see here we are. Paint looks almost identical to after the repair. There are some new scuffs and scratches on it, but again, that's not the fault of the paint. That's the fault of running into things or things running into it. So there are some new scratches, scuffs. You'll even see there's one down here that even took the paint off, but that's a scratch. It's not where the paint flaked off or anything. So I would say it's still looks basically just as good as it did the day I did it. So I'm still very happy with it. No one ever says anything about it, and unless you're looking, you can't tell that I had no clue what I was doing. So this is the 2.5 year update. Hope that helps. If you're looking for the original video, there's a link down below. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.